Respected dignitaries, first of all, the chairman of this FDP, our beloved principal sir, Professor N. V. Ramana Garu, convener of this event, beloved HOD, Professor Venugopal Garu, coordinator, my friend, Professor Satish Kumar Garu, my dear colleagues and my dear participants from various states, good morning to one and all. I am Dr. Sammulal Porika, Professor of CSE, JNTH College of Engineering, Jagityal. I am also a participant of this FDP. First of all, I extend a warm welcome to all the participants to this valedictory function. Really, it is an occasion of pride and honor to say that the Department of CSE is successfully organized this 1 week online FDP on PHP and MySQL in association with Spoken Tutorial IIT Bombay. The entire 1 week FDP was organized in well structured and good manner. I mean, the course had theoretical part as well as the practical part. They divided the entire videos into 6 days. All the spoken tutorial videos are very informative and fabulous. Really thanks to the spoken tutorial team IIT Bombay. The first day videos mainly focused on the installation procedure of Jump server on Windows operating system as well as the Linux platform. We had introduction to PHP, variables in PHP, data types, control structures and also the arithmetic operators. Really, by these videos, I clearly understood the basic concepts of PHP. PHP is a server-side scripting language as well as the programming language. It is used to create dynamic web pages. It is a open source and cross-platform language. Second day videos mainly focused on comparison operators, logical operators, arrays, multidimensional arrays, while and do-while loops, loop statements, for loop and for each statements and also the functions. The third day, they have covered get and post variables, embedding PHP, common way to display HTML, common errors, introduction to MySQL and its queries. The fourth day videos mainly covered how to connect front-end machine with backend database, that is how to connect PHP with MySQL. How to retrieve the data from database table using PHP, how to retrieve the ordered data from database table and print using PHP, how to retrieve the data, how to update and delete the data from database tables using HTML forms and PHP programs in detail with examples. They explained how to count the number of visitors of a page using files and how to use PHP string functions, and also how to upload a file using PHP. The day 5 videos mainly concentrated on PHP cookies, sessions, PHP MD5 encryption with MD5 function, how to send email using email function, how to display images in a directory, how to create a login page in PHP and a table in MySQL. The last day videos concentrated on the user logins, changing password, user registrations and so on. And finally, as a participants, every day we wrote a quiz exam for 15 marks and we have submitted course journal every day. Conduction of quiz exam and taking the feedback from 3000 more participants is a huge task. Really, it is a huge task, but the FDP organizing team handled that task in a good manner. So really, thanks to the FDP team. So on behalf of our participants, first of all, I would like to thank our beloved principal sir, Professor N. V. Ramana Garu, for his continuous support. And also I would like to thank our convener of this FDP, Professor Venugopal Garu, for conducting such a beautiful FDP for us in a pandemic situation. Last but not the least, I am also thankful to the coordinator of this FDP, Professor Satish Kumar Garu, because the man behind this FDP is his hard work. He spoke with the spoken tutorial members regarding this FDP and he monitored the entire FDP in a easier manner. And also, I would like to thank all the participants who have participated in this FDP. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Stay home, be happy. Thank you.